Yes. Seti ya raini Seti ya muraika wa bara ya andu aronekana ekerekerio.
Beba. Raini cia.
We muraika we ruhiu rwa njora. Ucio ndenda o pus.
Raini ya beba ndiravera.
No, sir.
That is life.
It's in life. Yes. Reure. Still on TBT. About the other maga. And tukwa tunatilia mkaso. You see, and we have said that before here. Is you talking Mount Kenya ne kwetu neglected for the longest time.
Tikane hindi maundu marakorirwo marahukaga miaka irari miaka ikoretwo just to
we have been heavily in the dark, literally and symbolically.
The worst ones here 80s.
Yes.
Na 90s.
80s ire. Gicagi kia Mount Kenya kiare gicagi.
Pio.
Everything was rural. Rural.
Na ni waikara mwaka nogi.
Yes.
Utari wona undu ucenjetie gicagi.
Nothing.
Hakuna kitu mpya.
So we had the government was very non-functional kuri hivyo matuko mau. So you are right. Ni waikara hata kage mangi nothing.
Ndirakure ithu kwanja ithu twe purima riri.
Yes.
Ni maguthaga miaka ta iri tatu. Nduri wona anything new.
Nothing.
Maundu no uria.
Yes.
Same thing every day.
Yes. Na hindi yo niguo ona andu matuika very wild. Kuigua ati no mathie Nairobi. Yes. Mone kundu ati bara ingikoro igithondekwo. Yes. He maundu nginya twathomaga. They were just theoretical. Yes. They also githomogifundithio the modes of transport. Quarry road. Iyo ni alirita buhanini. Yes. Railway.
Railway.
Air.
Faintly
to ni mwana ndege ho moinagira mugacia athi gwithogu ati ndege wathie Nairobi ugeithirie baba na kaguiga very myopic kwara wata na kaguiga ke
ndende rathire tu
mwiri atiriri irathire tu
maithe mahendio matiainukaga.
But of course you would literally miss them. You would even send imaginary planes to them.
Nje ndumiriri Nairobi.
Ndege wathie Nairobi. Never mind ona hii ndege yathie Wajia. Imagination is very clouded. As go kudera. No get imagine. Okay, sheep now, that was another thing altogether.
On the slightest of imagination.
Was imenya tu ohetu kigera?
Kigera dio.
Yes. Maundu mamwe atu mamwe itore tukurete in the 90s and 80s kore rogori. Tu amondera Nairobi na twagega muno. Yes. Tonu mwatho make ndugeta ori. Road signs. You know, there was the basic. It was in which GXC.
GXC.
Geography, history, and civics. Must have been in civics. Civic, sort of.
In the civic.
Mother mohoro wa road signs. You are wondering. Sikora woku. Ele mwadi sana ono livestock crossing. Adiete mwana miona no ni mwana ngo.
Ng'ombe. Yes. Even a simple thing as a zebra crossing.
Yes. No. Egekatia.
The zebra crossing.
Ege cross one ya. There were no vehicles.
Ona togari, ona mabarabara magwikirwo zebra crossing.
Ndungicora zebra crossing teri-ini. No itire coka. Ati Tom and Mary. When crossing the road, we used to find teachers not very practical. At the look right.
Look left. Look right again.
To see what? Wathia right ukona ithe wa Anodi, left ukona ng'ombe cia Waciru, right rĩngĩ ukona wa Anodi agwa mũtaro.
Konywa Medusa.
Na munyangati. Na ngĩeta guo eta wate ĩno ya mũndũ wakora arutĩte bĩngu.
Which one?
A Mario. Fire Mario.
Fire Mario.
Yes. Some things were not practical. Twariga tũrathomithio tũkahũthĩra ku. Ati look right, look lefty, look right again. If the road is clear, cross. You look right for what? Namenye ndio na gutiare nduthi. Yes.
Ndiare nduthi hindi yo.
Actually kindu kia rurumaga mĩciĩ mĩingĩ kũu nĩ nda.
Magithei.
Ukonia ati traffic light. Kwaje hiyo ndio twarigagwo ai.
Ici iruta wĩra ku.
Ati red means
stop.
Amber, kwaje rĩu amber. Means wait. Green means
go.
Wariga okay. How? Maundu mau twa imagine ai makoragwo America naku.
The cianja.
Tondu rĩu wĩ cũi. Wĩ kũndũ gwĩtagwo Jiret ya Ndarwa.
Na waraconjeti Kieni.
Wĩ ũraconjeti Kieni. Na Kieni ona mwonara mithutha mũno.
Rĩu na thirikari ya Uhuru.
Ũcoke ũrabundithio traffic light. Ati ũkorio kamande. When you see the light means red, it means
stop.
And the amber,
go.
Wait.
To go.
Yes, wait. Na lekiona rĩu tuoka nĩrĩo vile twagĩgaga. Tondũ rĩu wonaga itawa nĩrĩo rĩrĩ.
Now this is it.
Mayau nĩrĩa biũ.
Na nĩrĩrakana.
Ona wakĩroragĩra ũguo gũtirĩ kũndũ ũrathiĩ. O marũgamie ngari wone haiya. Ngai. Kĩrũgama. Na woka sete rĩa mbere nĩ warũmagĩrĩra matawa mau. Kinya rĩu tuke kĩmonda gĩa kwemana na kĩ.
Kwemana na mĩtoka. Before you learn how to break the law.
Yes. Ona bara make. You see, tadu gukinya Kenori, gutiare bara make.
Hakukua.
Even the ones that had tarmac were not marked. For what?
Iyo na iria nini ciarĩ ramire.
Yes.
Ciarĩ make.
Rĩu wona bara make. Nginya we kuona rĩu anga ũngĩheo ngari hau no twarithĩrie.
No na ninge nyitithio kĩbararĩ.
Nĩ ngũrũmĩrĩra hena kĩ?
No nderebe nyamũ.
Ĩni. Kayo menyerete wariĩ. Mefuteti. Oh, some things were highly impractical.
No, wamaka wakora bara make.
Yes.
Kwĩna guardrails.
Yes.
Road signs.
Yes. Nginya ũkona ĩho ĩna karĩma karũrũkĩte. Ũkona ĩyo nĩ ĩbatiĩ gwĩkĩrwo harĩa hanyua ndu. Yes. Ĩngĩ no yandĩkwo kwanja rĩu harĩa wona yandĩkĩtwo atĩrĩrĩ. Merchants with dual carriageway 200 meters ahead.
Gũgĩkinya Keno.
Yes. Na nĩ ngari hau ona iria ngũrũ piũ nĩ yakiraga.
Wakĩigua rĩu nĩ mwacenjia bũrũri.
Ũkĩigua rĩu nĩ aba. Kaigua. Nĩ wagegaga. Rĩu maũndũ mau twamonire practically tuoka kũndũ kũndũ. Tuoka gĩcuka. An actual road sign. Ti roundabout ahead. Ona mwari wa roundabout ngari cithiũrũrũkaga igĩthikũ.
Na nĩkĩ?
Why go round? Azo twĩkanagĩria nginya mĩgũnda.
Nĩkĩo twambaga kũgega twakinya gũkũ.
Yes. Ati you run about the post office. Nyamũ no tarĩ wona. They are visit to the post office. To do what? Thoguo na nĩ kũthire maica make mothe ndarĩ amũkĩra marũa.
Arwario rĩa matũmagĩrwo marũa na bothita.
Yeah, some of us struggled.
Especially rwa ndware ko nginya gutiari thitima.
Yes.
Ati nĩ megũgĩtũmĩrwo biru na posta.
Gutiari thitima. There was no telephone connectivity. That region was marginalized.
No, totally in the dark.
Yes. Kou rĩu kĩrĩa mwahũthagĩra nĩ mbu.
Telegram kuu yarĩ mbu.
Telegram kuu yarĩ mbu.
Rudimentary.
Forms. They actually use smoke signal. Wona andũ kwang'ania ũkamenya nĩ moka. Let me tell you, the people who grew up in the 80s and the early 90s, actually mona transition ni nene muno ya rugongo
muno.
Yes. Station gukora makora maundu.
At least riu makora riu kwanjia kwarahuka, especially after 2002.
Exactly.
Riu maundu makianjia kwarahuka.
Yes.
Maundu matengera.
Yes. Ndirakwira muno ni okaga Nairobi wona kindu gitagwo seti clock. No ikare hau ithaa wone kana ni rathiururuka.
You guess.
Yes. And do we have seti clocks nowadays?
Sirio kuo not as many.
Yes.
No irio kuo.
Githaa-ini.
Iyo no yari meeting point githaa-ini.
Githaa-ini.
That was a meeting point.
Meeting point. Githaa-ini na kĩoro namba 8. Heavily neglected.
Heavily neglected.
Never mind, we had leaders, but most of them were functionally useless.
You see, system ya hede
yes
was not to pro our people.
It was not.
System ya hede.
It would render our leaders useless.
Yes.
On a matter we
they could do nothing.
They would render them functionally useless. Go tire kibesa moge heo.
Yes.
Sisi afara si yake.
Naka kuagisa.
It was those were dark days. And you need to celebrate some of the heroes who stood up against that regime.
Ndakwira maundu marahuka kuma
202 how.
Waharu thirikari anaki yaingirira.
Yes.
Kuma riu 202 guka all the way like 20 years.
Yes.
Hau riu nuho maundu macenjia.
Na macenjia ihenya muno.
Muno.
Yes. I think we made up for a lot of lost time. Twari atukirire.
Ona ti ngongu ni mbere ya ngongu. Twatukeirwo magandi. Thaa 10:42.